Hi, I'm the Herb Guy. Tobacco Alternatives, Part 1. Harvesting the Plants. Hey, thanks for your question in regards to a tobacco alternative. There are plenty of plants out there that can be used as a tobacco alternative. You can buy your own cigarette making machines and make your own. This is a good one here, grape leaf. I'm going to show you a quick list. These plants are going to get dried today. There's grape leaf. This is burdock leaf. This is red raspberry leaf, or raspberry leaf anyway. And this is aster. We did a video on that yesterday. This is a very potent lung herb. All of these herbs we're going to dry today. We'll go ahead and dry them today, and we're going to grind them up tomorrow, and I'll use them for my smoking blend. Give me a minute. I got to run across the yard, and we will talk about a few more plants you can use. Okay, over in our used-to-be garden, we have a plant called Gallant Soldier. You may have seen this around. That is smokable. There's also smartweed. I know you've seen that plant around. That is also smokable and healthy as far as the herb itself goes. Hang on a minute, let's talk about a few more. Here we have some mints and catnip. If you are into menthols, catnip is a really good alternative, or any of the mints, peppermint, lemon balm. You also have the option of doing dandelion. Dandelion leaf is not bad, it's very plentiful. Plantain leaf is good too. It's stringy enough that it helps keep the cigarettes together. Plenty of other plants out there. If you guys want to see another video on this tomorrow, let me know in the comments below. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. Here's the plants that I have. I have some Gallant Soldier. I'm going to go ahead and dehydrate them today. By tomorrow, I have some aster, both blue, or purple and white. Feel free to use this recipe if you want. I'm going to dehydrate it because it'll go faster, get it done quickly. I have the burdock leaf, the raspberry leaf, and the grape leaf. Grape leaf is so plentiful. Why wouldn't you use it? You can literally make packs and packs and packs out of leaves like that. The same with the raspberry. If you have mullein, mullein is also a good addition. So these are all going to be dried. By tomorrow, I'm going to do another video on how to blend them all together and turn them into cigarettes. If you like this video, let me know in the comments below. If you have any suggestions for other videos, also let me know in the comments below. Stay safe, everybody, and have a great weekend. Don't forget to join us Sunday nights at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for Tea with the Herb Guy. It's our live feed. It usually lasts about 3 hours. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Bye.